So to do the repair, we want to get at the ashtray and the cigarette lighter indicator lights. And so to do that, you first have to remove the cup holder. To do that, first of all, pull up on the parking brake, raise the rear compartment, and then just lift up here, lift up on the cup holder, like so. Then you want to get the gear shift lever in position. So first, take your key and push it to the second position, and your gear shift lever, after you depress the brake, and move back to the rear like so. Then remove the knob on the gear shift lever. Then to remove the panel over the gear shift lever, you have to pull up slightly, easily on the left and the right, the front and back, and remove that lever. For the ashtray, you will see two set screws in here. Remove those set screws so you can remove the ashtray. And once the screws are removed, now you remove the ashtray itself by letting loose of the left side and then the right side, and pull it out gently. I'm going to try to do it with two hands. Stand by. Yeah, there you have it. And the whole piece, including the lighter and the seat warmers, that whole panel comes out together. So now to remove the light bulb from the light bulb holder, you need to get right in here with a little flathead screwdriver and pop this holder out right in here. Once you pop it out like that, it should twist right out. Now you have access to the bulb to remove it with a simple twist. Now go ahead and replace the bulb. Before you put it all back together, turn your ignition on and see if it works. Yeah, if you turn your lights on, your ashtray light is working just fine. Now go ahead and reassemble, insert it back into the tray, and put the tray back in the slot. And it should fit nicely. Insert it gently, right side up. That's fair enough. And then you have to attach the screws again right in here. There you have it with the screws in place. Now all you got to do is reinsert the tray around the gear shift lever. Insert it in the front first and snap it in the back. Very gentle fit. Put the gear shift knob back on top. Like so. And then finally, go ahead and put your cup holder tray back in together. Perfectly done. Now you're all set. Lights on. See the light on the ashtray all squared away. Perfect. Hope you enjoyed the video.